Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be checking out the Queen Victoria Market. I have got my cousin here, Nicole. Hopefully you guys can see her, she's in the shade. So we're just in front of the main building, so the actual market bit. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, just kind of like a walk through around the market and give you guys a little commentary about things that are available here at the market. Alright, let's make our way in. So again, this is the actual market bit. Obviously there's like hand sanitizer and everything. So again, you've got like little directions of where you can go. Okay, so we're now here in the deli section and I love going through the deli just because of all the really nice fancy meats and cheeses. I'm not very adventurous, but I just like to see everything and then maybe have a little taste, because sometimes they let you taste. I don't know at the moment just because of the whole coronavirus thing, but it's still a great place to check out. My cousin and I have just walked through like the fresh produce, like the fruit and vegetable section. Tried to vlog in there, like talk to you guys, but unfortunately there's just so many people, and again I'm trying to avoid getting too close to people. But anyway, now we're going to move on to one of my favorite parts of the market. I mean, obviously I like the fresh produce, the meats and stuff as well, but I also like going to sort of like the general retail section. Like if you're Filipino, Changge, like very Changgean. I love going here because you can find like a lot of, I don't know, like nice little trinkets. It's really handy for tourists as well. If you guys are visiting, you can find things at, say, Melbourne or Australia, sort of like souvenirs here, and you know, just random things that you may not necessarily need but you want. And then on some days the market also has like food festivals as well, so definitely check out their website, their Instagram, just to see when all of that's happening again. I think at the moment, because of the virus, they're not really doing that as much at the moment, but it's still a really nice place to visit. So I'm going to try and take you guys along through one of the corners. Again, not all the stalls are open just because of what's happening, but at least you get a general sense of what's available here and what you can find. My cousin and I just went into like this sort of like culinary shop. The guy said that the store has been open for 40 years and he's owned it for like 20 or 15 years or something. That was pretty cool. My cousin bought, what did you buy? Like cookie cutters? Cookie cutters, sorry.
They're so cheap. They're so cheap. Look. Look at these cookie cutters.
How much are they normally?
I saw this on Amazon and it cost close to $30. And it's just $20.
Yeah, you can get all different sizes too.
Yeah. So cool.
You're gonna use them for cookies or like other things as well?
Other things as well.
Cool. So my cousin loves cooking and her cooking is amazing. I've actually had a taste and it's so good. we're still walking around the market, and honestly it is very quiet. There aren't many people around. Alright guys, so that is a really quick little walkthrough through the main bits of the Queen Victoria Market. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will be going to a cafe and a bubble tea place and other things in the city. If you guys would like to watch that vlog, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button because that will be the next video. And yeah, let me know down in the comment box down below if you guys would like to watch anything else or you want me to go other places and show you guys around. I'm happy to accommodate. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!